I'm Mrs. Hasty, and today we're going to have fun with the letter N. Let's start with a rhyme. Goodnight moon, goodnight stars, it's time for the sleepy hours. Good morning, rooster, good morning, sun, it's time to wake up, everyone. Did you know that night starts with the letter N? How about you go get a piece of paper and a pencil, and I'll get my whiteboard, and let's practice writing the letter N. Are you ready to write the letter N with me? Good. Let's start with the lowercase n. This is the one we use the most often. We use it for words like nighttime or nap. The lowercase n goes between the middle dotted line and the bottom solid line. Let's try writing it together. The sun goes down, jump into bed. Very good. Let's do it again. The sun comes down, jump into bed. One more time. The sun goes down, jump into bed. Great job. Now let's do the uppercase N. Uppercase N is used for very important words like names. Names of states like Nevada or of cities like Nineveh. The capital N starts at the top solid line and goes down to the bottom solid line. Let's try writing it together. The sun sets down. Lift up your pencil. The sun sets right and comes up in the morning. Let's do it again. The sun sets down. Lift up your pencil. The sun sets right and comes up in the morning. Great job. You keep practicing your N's. Now let's play a game. These are the words to our rhyme, Goodnight Moon. Let's play Letter Spy and see how many N's we can find. There's only lowercase n's. How many have you found? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 N's. Thanks for playing Letter Spy with me. Did you know an N makes one sound? Did you know an N makes one sound? Did you know an N makes one sound? An N just says N. That's right. N only makes one sound. It just says N, like night. That makes it really easy to know what sound it's going to make in a word. Now, all my items in the schoolhouse sort have the N sound in them, but some of them have N as their beginning sound, and some of them have N as their ending sound. Let's see if we can figure out which ones are which. My first item are some beans. Bean. Now where is the N sound in bean? Is it the beginning sound or the ending sound? Let's listen closely. Bean. Comes at the end. So bean has the ending sound of N. Let's try another one. Here I have some nuts. Nuts. Now where does the N sound come in nuts? Is it at the beginning or at the end? Nuts. Nuts. The N sound is at the beginning. N. Nuts. Very good. Let's try again. This one is a can. Can. Where's the N sound in can? Can. It comes at the end. N is the ending sound for can. Let's keep trying. This is a newspaper. Newspaper. Does the N come as the beginning sound or the ending sound? Newspaper. You're right, it's the beginning sound. Newspaper. One more thing. Oh, I have a keychain. Chain. Is the N the beginning sound or the ending sound for chain? Chain. Chain. You're right. N comes at the end of chain. It's the ending sound. Great job doing Schoolhouse Sort with me today. I hope you can find some things around your house that have the N sound in them. Maybe they begin with the N sound or they end with the N sound. You see what you can find and come back for more learning fun. Keep learning at home by putting letters on the ground. When they're called, hit them with a fly swatter or drive a toy car to them. Form letters out of wiki sticks, Play-Doh, or clay. Or my favorite, draw letters in shaving cream or whipped cream. And there's always printable resources available at my teacher store at teacherspayteachers.com. Don't forget to subscribe.